You know what I find funny?
It's not spinning it. Oh, there you go.
You know most dudes be like, yeah, my girl likes my baby.
Kids do better with the pieces, bro. So how was class for that week, guys? It was class like
It was awesome.
torture?
No, it was pretty fun.
We were
Like 3 fights happened.
No dairy.
I was like, man, these people need me, man.
No, and then we saw a butterfly in here. That shit was like all like shiny and shit. And then like everybody was like, oh, it's Darius' spirit. And I was like, nah, man, that's his soul.
They did like the same shit.
Nah.
Was there actually a butterfly here?
No.
I was gonna say, what butterfly is shiny? Sipping that lean.
This one says 10. I don't know.
Yep.
Nah, bro, you be alright.
Both are in there.
Hey, hold on, hold.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
No, it's
Nah, you gotta take them out straight. You take them out crooked. There you go.
Why are you taking that off?
Nah.
Oh, okay. If you don't want to use
That boxer with the fucking father's watch, he freaks out because he loses it. Like, how would you lose my fucking father's watch? You dumb bitch. That's how I feel about this watch.
I love Goodfellas.
It's a good movie. Joe Pesci is an asshole, I love him. Look at the reason why a lot of motherfuckers died.
Right, no
He killed
pisses in
Billy
this
Bats.
motherfucker.
When we were stopping on his ass.
It's like your car.
Like, bro, you don't do that shit in the mob. You don't just do it on killing people.
I was watching that movie on shrooms.
What else? You take out. You gotta turn it around, right?
Crankshaft. Take off the can, the oil pump, get the heat shield.
I tried watching Fear and Loathing and
What the fuck?
LSD.
I just ain't hear you.
It's just that we're the only group of people that have blood.
Bro, we're the badasses.
I'm thinking about everybody else. Think about yourself.
I don't want to do it.
You can't, don't
Don't do it. You don't gotta do it. Nobody's ever gonna peer pressure you to something that you don't want to do. Unless you give into
I
your
feel like everybody's been different.
I mean, if you give into
Have you
peer
smoked
pressure,
before?
yeah, but that's
You got
what I wanted to. Never. That's rule number one. Never
Sometimes a
peer
motherfucker
pressure.
just smokes to take away the pain, bro. Straight up. That's simple.
There's so many other things you can do to take away some pain. There's some
I just smoked
there's
some
Tylenol,
weed.
there's
Well, that's physical pain, bro. I'm talking about like emotional pain. Like when you date a toxic bitch and you thought she loved you, like that's.
just go to the gym and you'll get swole off of it.
Why go to the gym just to be jacked?
You'll be jacked instead of fucking to be healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You won't be as fast though. You gotta do cardio to be fast.
You don't know if you do cardio to be fast. You gotta do cardio to be fast.
You gotta be fast.
You can run for a long time, but that's how you
Like
get
a
cardio.
jaguar, like the animal or the car.
No, let's do another bowl.
Okay. Well, I think my favorite. I don't really be watching much of the game. I just like the winter with one.
There's another bowl. My bad.
When my girl comes over, she be doing some dumb shit to my face. You know how it is.
I don't know about y'all, but I'll be getting like face masks and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Get my nose, my toes cut and shit.
Oh yeah.
What?
Get
My
my,
toes clipped.
get my toes licked.
You don't take your toe down?
No cap.
Alright, that's this.
Shit busting on God for real, for real.
I'll be getting massage.
That shit gonna fuck around and fly and fucking stab me.
What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, bro. This shit is just fucking-
You look like you didn't do the shit you said.
If you ain't gotta do it, yeah, there you go. It's gotta be on an angle. If you do it like directly above, it's not gonna.
Yeah, it's falling. Got it?
How many more you got on this side?
Yeah.
Bro, start loosening this one before it becomes. Oh, wait, look.
I got the last one. I love him. There we go. I got it. There you go.
I need a Mexican, another Mexican. I don't need one for every other Mexican. Yeah, bro. Hate, bro.
Get out. Try and hit it side to side, that's what I was doing. Not down, but like that. Yeah, like that.
Bitch ain't coming out today. I want to use my bare hands. Yeah, it ain't working. I can move though. Grip, those ain't no grip. Let me see, let me check. That bitch still ain't alive. You know what I was thinking? Can we keep it?
Wiggle it, side to side.
Hold on, I got you. How about I do? I got it.
Chip away at it like it's a swirling ball.
Lifting it up, just push it up like that.
Oh yeah.
Let me see. Bro, just lift it up.
There you go.
I like this guy. He's a wise guy. I don't like him. He's a good fella.
Oh, like that. Take out the whole.
Oh, because you were breaking it up, huh? You're chipping it.
Grab the breaker bar.
Yeah, like that's where we at all.
14.
No. Grab like an 18.
Like a 20.
Grab like an 18, not a 20.
Just pranking you guys. Just prank. Yep. It's a 20.
Is that a good prank or not really?
No, I'm not even thinking Frank.
Have you ever heard of Frankenbait?
I'm in morning, I'm on 18.
Yeah, buddy, I told you it ain't no goddamn.
Frankenbait, Steve?
I think it's this one.
Have you ever heard of Frankenbait?
Yeah.
This is fucking guy on
19,
YouTube
this is the
that like met a lot of years, like a couple of years ago. He would make these fake prank videos and try to market them as real. So he would pay these women to like be like pretend to be moms, and he'd be like, "Guys, it's mommy makeout day," and he'd go to the beach and be like, "Hey, you're really like hitting on them, like, hey, you're really beautiful, y'all. You think I could get a kiss?" She's like, "Sure." Like they just agree like that, and then he would just like make out with these like these actresses, really, these actresses moms, and then their kid would just be watching them.
Like a motherfucker.
So I thought, and just moms making out with strangers. And he used the corniest pickup lines. He was like, "You are so gorgeous." Wondering if you could get it.
I doubt it. YouTube is so retarded. We do.
It still is like, and, oh man, in like the 2015 into 2020 era was so bad. It was so funny.
How the fuck this bitch goes? Right?
I'm like 4 hours away from
Bad.
You're shooting at what?
117.
Are you taking creasing? Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah, every single day, bro.
You taking the like the amount it says or no?
Yeah, I'm taking the amount of sauce.
I'm like 180.
Are you drinking like hella water too?
Huh?
You gotta drink hella water with it too.
Yeah, bro.
You think you could lift me up on like 180?
I don't want to touch you.
That's understandable. I wouldn't want to touch you.
Yeah, please. I forgot to you gotta put it. You gotta lift it in there.
Brody on the corner with tip, give a warning for you floating in the sky.
We about to empty this bitch out.
Bumping shoulders with the devil in the sky.
Just right here.
Shoulder level.
Looks like
I'm
a.
taking it off.
In the morning, in the winter.
It's like for a sensor.
Enterprise. Everything is good like
did.
That's how you simmer down. You're missing living life.
What are you talking about, bro?
It was wild and every day was trash. Crackers piling in to rape the lane. Every morning, swollen hands. Tiptoeing over glass, Brody, don't go too fast. Told him slow.
Get a short sock, not a long.
I jump on the table for you.
I'd be in the crib and in a moment stuck. Feet up on the glass, sipping on the flask. I hit the split, but don't promote it. We're overpass.
Look a 10.
You already thought, what? You think I'm a better driver than you?
No, I just don't want anybody to drive my car. It's more stupid and shit.
Oh, holy shit. That's gonna be hard to take out. This fucking motorbike.
Fuck, you should see the transmission bolts on my fucking.
Still full teardown.